state? You are from so which country?
Sudan.
Sudan. Okay. You are welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Sudan. Sudan. You are welcome. Yes, excuse me. You are from which country? Sudan also. You are welcome to Nigeria. Yes. You are from which country? Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You come. Chad Republic. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Chad. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Chad. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Welcome to Nigeria. Okay, you are welcome. So we handle you over to government.
Even though when I get taken a one, okay, for this video in a don't worry, cool it down. Only for the full video. Nka kana bo na Hausa abatagoka. If you can see we line up Sudan, Chad, Niger, Sudan, Chad, Niger. Can see import people. Something consecutively made 2 weeks in Nigeria, 2 separate weeks. The first week has seen the Nigerian government saying Hana Obatande people they stranded Nigerians say they stranded in Niger. How GD way in Obatande mother na trailer upon trailer. Bubatahana this country. 2 weeks later, Haje Ethiopia. Sin Hana free Nigerians say they stranded in a prison. In Ethiopia. Ihe makwana that in Ethiopian prison is better than the best prison in Nigeria. Ethiopian worst prison ka the best prison in Nigeria. Unu envy unu durunja Ethiopia okolokwa ndị mmadụ unu batakwa na this country. Two things na akwado ime. Ha na akwado ndị ya ayeji we rig election and ha na akwado thugs ha ayeji we fight during election. Do you think not the ordinary that every day, every month, Borno state government na push repented so-called repented ndị Boko Haram n'ime Nigerian army? Ndị anụnwa gba video anụnwa, I so much disappointed ebe unu nọ. I been so much disappointed ebe unu nọ. Unu nwebata unu fụ ndị bata obodo without document, without illegally. Banyono camera uswenda anụnwa akwụ nkwụtụnkwụ. I don't know how belly una say na agba video. Everything nina hand over to Nigerian government ndị bandit ndị jide hand they end up freeing all of them. Just last week a governor put an 18 on social media that Nandi Boko Haram nina hajide hand there to the police has been released and their egbe handed over to them. Who are these people? Very dark man put yesterday or 2 days ago made video say that the Nigerian army and Ndozo they are benefiting more than this insecurity. This was the first time in Juema that in this age and time the world has gone digital. Nega be in the military na abu in cash. And you say ha cash, ha kwe was an account, ha chok how this boss had go to. That is why till today the police, army, Air Force can never make audit. Say nego na spend in a uniform, nego na spend in ammunition, nego na spend in a helmet, nego na spend in kedo and kedo. All those things book an avenue to make money. Somebody put a make confession on your army. Say na if on your army helmet or ne yinka na haneje special na hajecha na haya ne chata those things azo. Ni cho yinwe ni yegu including uniform yi na aro as a Nigerian soldier ni yego the uniform ego ni yego boot ego. This is something that has been provided. Kana achiuno mana you will buy it with your salary. Kita problem I na-ekwu na-etizi mkpu ike n'ebe ha everyday na-eti mkpu si ndị be anyị mụrụ n'anya ụfọdụ nọ na comment section na-akpali m mana even na this video na-ejuru gị afọ menezia the complete video ka enozia ihe a bụ a Nollywood superstar, a Nollywood person na-etili mkpu a ebe the rich also cry mazi ihe the poor will do. If the rich also cry mazia what the poor will do. Asilo ongu bula alaji no nweta ala majiri yo mameli ebele. Nene this video no nelo ena nisi Gordon.
O se tigo kwano umunnem.
Everybody needs to be at alert. Everybody need to be at alert. Ose to go kwano. Ose to go kwano. All the PGs in all the communities in Igbo land need to come together as one. All the PGs. Ekwesingwe one body. For all the PGs non-Igbo land. Because if I make it, I ain't going to Dobia. I ain't going to Dobia. Ose to go no. And let me advise you, stop off in your phone. All these people, when they put off their phone at night, they say once it's 9 o'clock, I don't go sleep. Stop putting off your phone at night. I swear to God. Leave your phone open. You might be the last option. It might be the last hope to save a community. Stop offing your phone at night. Some people, once it's 9 o'clock, once it's 8 o'clock, you will not get them on the phone anymore. So it is very important that you do not put off your phone at night. Very, very important, because the last person who has a community. And I was the phone upon a phone the switched off. And I bought your phone upon all the switched off. Stop offing your phone at night. All the very important. So that onwe obodo fa na akpa agala unu mana anyị nọkọsi ọnụ onwe obodo fa na akpa agala ana anụ mkpọtụ ebido kpọba kọlụ ka a na-akpọ kọlụ ka a na-echefa ka a na-eme gịnị ka a na-eje enwudefe ebe fa nọ ka a na-eme gịnị ka a na-eje disturb ha. At least the casualties ama ndị much biko nu ka anyị rapụ ịdị na-agbanyụsi fonu anyị. Ọ bụ na somebody kpọọ gị chọrọ ka gị na onye afọ kwuo, ịgwa the person, please call me in the morning. Ka anyị hapụ iji ihe na-enwere isi wee tụfuo ndụ ụmụnne anyị. Enwe a lot of people wee rapụ na ndịda wee mee gịnị wee pụọ ije. Onye agbanyụsi na fon ya n'abalị, BU obele, BU nnukwu, unu agbanyụsi na fon unu n'abalị. A lot of people na like ịlara ụla na-atọfu ụtọ. If you watch ife na-eme n'obodo ndị ọzọ, you will find out that na mgbe fa na-alara ụla ka ha na-eme gịnị ka ha na-invade fa. Ndị a na-eme operation in the daytime. Father akpanwalụ in the daytime. Mgbe fa ji akpa alụ bụ n'abalị, that time ị nabaga ụla. So that ọ bụrụ na a na-ebe akwa na-eti mkpu a, onye kpọọ gị na phone, you can be able to, the communities eme gịnị a charge up. Bikonu anyị enwegokwanụ ndị ọbịa. Anyị nwere ndị ọbịa si obodo dị iche iche wee bata. And enwe ihe ha ji maka wee bata. Onwe ihe ha ji maka wee bata. Onwe ihe ha ji maka wee bata. We need to be serious. We need to be serious. We need to be serious. Because onwere onye ma onye ga-agbaji aka ya. We need to be serious. Very important. Every big man nọ na ala Igbo, onye ọbụla mụrụ anya. Call your people. Be at alert. Leave your phone open. You need to be serious. Ọ dị ka ihe egwuregwu mana ihe na-achị ncha na-achị ime kịta. Ncha na-achị ime now. Everybody need to be serious. Now, everybody need to be serious. Very important. Very, very important.
AK. This is AK for several rifles.
You are from which state? You are from which country?
Sudan.
Sudan. Okay. You are welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Sudan. Sudan. You are welcome. Yes, excuse me. You are from which country? Sudan also. You are welcome to Nigeria. Yes. You are from which country? Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You come. Chad Republic. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Chad. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Chad. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Welcome to Nigeria. Okay, you are welcome. So we handle you over to government. Police have come.
You see them? You see them? Okay. This person say we go hand you people over to the government. Do you think it's wise to hand them over to the government? Do you think it is wise to hand them over to the government? I know that the right thing to do is to hand them over to the government. Where these people from enter? Where they from enter? Is government not at that place where they from enter? Which people let these people in, enter this country? Now they say they should hand them over to the government, which is right. Let us hand them over to the government. Do you think it's wise to hand them over to the government?